Bisaya. I'm from Sorsogon and I work as an accountant because I love numbers na gustuhan ko na din dito sa work na to. I decided to shift careers from corporate employee to becoming an Amazon VA. It wasn't easy transition before since na hindi ko alam, hindi ko paano magsimula and all. I did a lot of research online tapos I discovered a training program offered by Amazon Nation before. Yan yung sinimulan ko talaga. Initially, it was scary move for me. It's hard to trust, especially since joining the Amazon Nation community required diba, investment, time, the tools to start with. But, I took a leap of faith and it paid off naman. Kaya, sulit na sulit.
Okay, so it took a lot of research, check ka ng mga testimonies, success stories, and all of that. So, from Sorsogon ka pala.
Yes, I am from Sorsogon.
And
Bicolana.
Bicolana? Oh, si Coach Lish, Bicolana siya. Tama ba?
Yes, from Daet si Coach Lish.
Sa area nyo ba or where your environment is, uso bang pagiging freelancer and virtual assistant? O ikaw lang ang kilala mo na gaganyan dyan?
Actually, as a PPC specialist and strategies manager in this field, I have known few friends na inclined din dito sa job na to. But generally sa Sorsogon, hindi talaga siya masyadong uso. But recently, I joined some communities dito sa Sorsogon, sa VA, working virtually. Hindi siya sa PPC, but there are other fields na naka-join or working with.
I see. So, ano yung naging inspiration mo? Bakit mo gusto maging freelancer or mag-work from home?
Actually, nag-start talaga to nung pandemic kasi we stopped working, diba, in the office. So, as a mother, a provider of the family, I took a lot of time doing research talaga kung how will I have some income. Nasa bahay lang talaga ginagawa. So, yun yung nakapag-urge sa akin na mag-start sa ganitong journey or work.
Pandemic, so stay at home tayo lahat nun, no? Ayaw mo nang bumalik sa corporate?
Hindi na. Nung nag-start ako dito, nagustuhan ko na talaga siya. Since na I can, take care of my kids, look after them. Hindi kailangan ng mag-commute, di ba? And then, hindi na hassle because you are inside your home and then you just need to provide the right tool para magawa mo yung trabaho mo. And of course, freedom of time. Makakapili ka din ng mga clients mo na gusto and then pwede mong pagsabay-sabayin. Sa corporate kasi hindi mo pwedeng pagsabay-sabayin as long as na kaya ng time mo. You can provide good service to the client.
Correct, no? Tama. We have the flexibility of time, freedom to choose ano yung schedule or kung ano yung client na mag-a-align sa pasok sa natin, schedule. Pero ano yung ginagawa mo sa corporate kung saan ka dati nagtatrabaho?
I work as an accountant, bookkeeper, right? So, I work in Land Bank of the Philippines before. And then, numbers talaga, yung analyzation, yung ginagawa ko. So, I took care ng mga salary loan accounts, reconciliation of items with discrepancies. Kasi not in the branch. We work in the accounting center of Land Bank of the Philippines. So, and then, yun, nag-decide na din talaga ako na magstay at home. And then, it's more convenient, more income. Yun ang important. Hindi siya pareho nung sa corporate na sapat lang para sa pamilya. So now, as a VA, may savings ka na. Yung hindi mo nabibili before na pinipigilan mo kasi syempre, family first, di ba? May gano'n na parang hindi ka na nag-iisip kung ano yung bibilihin mo. Can afford ka na sa mga vacations. Hindi na din napipigilan yung example, kahit na may trabaho, kailangan mo pang mag-leave, di ba? Tapos maiiwanan mo yung trabaho mo. Anywhere you can work as long as you have good internet connection, you have your laptop with you. Mga ganun na freedom, kaya okay talaga tong job na to.
Wow, ha? Na-compare mo siya sa dati mong work sa Land Bank of the Philippines. So, you're saying na mas mataas pa pala ang kinikita mo sa freelancing compare sa how many years ka dati sa bank na yon?
Sa bank, 2 years, tapos lumipat din ako sa EDC. sa Energy Development Corporation where I work as a bookkeeper sa isa nilang farmer associations na assisted nila. Related din doon yung work na ginagawa ko sa accounting. So, kung i-compare ko yung kita, income sa corporate and other jobs na ginawa ko before, siguro ko ang 1 month ko dati, ang 1 month ko sa job ko ngayon, parang 1 taon mo nang kinikita para sa...
What?
Yes. That's true. Accumulated income na from all my clients. Siguro ko 1 year mo nang kinita sa corporate world. 1 month mo lang kikitain sa pagiging VA, sa pagiging advertising specialist.
Ang layo talaga.
Yes, ang layo talaga.
Just imagine sorry, nako-compare ko talaga yung years and hours of you staying in an office, working there, ang layo ng salary or income na nakukuha mo just in freelancing. Ito ba ang una mong niche? Pagiging Amazon PPC VA?
Hindi. I was an account manager before. I decided to specialize sa PPC. I had an experience handling an account management. After ko mag-training di ba, nag-Amazonation ako at first, yun, I landed my first job as an account manager sa Seller Interactive. So, I have a background nung pinag-aralan ko talaga sa Amazonation as a general VA sa Amazon. After that, during my training sa FPPCM, kasi while working as an account manager before, nagtitraining na ako sa FPPCM dati. And pinagsasabay ko yun. Habang naka-shift, nakikinig din ako, nag-aaral din ako talaga ng PPC. Yung parang pinagsasabay ko, doing tasks at the same time, while working, making most of the time, uma-attend ng mga trainings ni Coach Adrian dati, si Coach Dean, tsaka si Coach Marcos. And then talagang hindi ako uma-absent hanggang hindi ko naiintindihan kung ano talaga yung about sa PPC. So, that's where I started. And then, after that, being an account manager is, stressful para sa akin. And then, nag-shift ako as a PPC specialist. Then, nagustuhan ko. Hindi ko na binitawan. Talagang dito na ako. Alam kong sa sarili ko na this is my niche and I love my job being a PPC manager.
Salamat, Andrea, sa pag-share, no? I can feel it in your voice, your enthusiasm. Ano masasabi mo na isang characteristic ng tao kung papasukin nila itong niche na to? Ano yung mga kailangan nilang ihanda sa sarili nila?
Kung nagbabalak yung mga example, other people, na mag-shift din from corporate to being an Amazon PPC specialist, PPC manager, ang i-advise ko lang is that prepare yourself muna and plan. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Huwag padalos-dalos. Pwede naman pagsabayin if gugustuhin mo talaga. Example, you're learning first the basic and nagtitraining ka pa, of course, wag ka muna mag-resign. Tingnan mo, i-feel mo yung sarili mo if kaya mo yung schedule kasi mag-shift ka talaga. Lahat ng transition gagawin mo. You need to prepare yourself for that. Kasi yung corporate, daytime ang job nun, right? So, ang pagiging PPC specialist is you need to consider the time ng client mo. Most especially during EST time, UK time, Canadian, or anything na dapat mong i-adjust para sa trabaho. So, you need to prepare for that also. And then, need to learn the basic. Alamin mo. Provided naman siya sa modules ng FPPCM. And the community is very, helpful, supportive. Hindi ka pababayaan sa mga tanong mo, sa mga doubts mo. Kung may strategy ka na hindi pa alam while nakakuha ka ng client, you can ask the community and they're always there to help. Tsaka ang bilis nilang sumagot sa mga concerns. So, you don't need to, worry na papabayaan ka along the way. Yung parang iiwanan ka sa ere. Hindi ganon sa community ng FPPCM. So, I'm very glad na doon ako nag-train and nagsimula.
Correct. No, nakikita ko nga sa Discord nyo, laging merong bagong ganap doon pag may mga questions at kung may mga job opening, sinishare ng mga community natin sa FPPCM. So, ang culture talaga is hilaan pataas. So, I'd like to know, Andrea,
Yes.
yung client mo pala, ginagawa mo lahat yun while you are still in corporate?
Hindi na during my time since pandemic siya. Pero may mga sidelines or part-time pa rin akong ginagawa yun before. Example, bookkeeping na pinagsasabay ko pa din siya. I'm working in the morning, few hours, and then I still work sa gabi for my clients naman sa PPC. So, pwede siyang pagsabayin. You just need to have proper time management. And then, I decided na bitiwan na talaga. Nakita ko na mas okay yung buhay ko dito as being a VA, right? So, kung stable ka na, tama na yung decision mo, nafe-feel mo naman kasi kung kaya mo, na happy ka sa ginagawa mo ngayon, kaysa compared sa ginagawa mo dati, right? So, mafe-feel mo siya along the way sa journey mong ito. Yun, may guide ka naman, yung sarili mo.
Yes. As you mentioned, di ba, nandiyan naman yung community. You always have the modules naman to access if you have anything to review or kung may mga technicals man or troubleshoots. Kasi pag nagkaroon tayo ng client, hindi pa natatapos dun, di ba, yung continuous learning. Kailangan meron tayong mga backup na community to help, especially kung merong ito troubleshoot. May na-experience ka bang gano'n na may difficult kang na kailangan i-troubleshoot and the community was there or your coaches was there to help you? What was that problem?
Yes, there's a moment na syempre bago ka, 'di ba? Before, example, hindi nag-deliver ng ads mo, 'di ba? There's something wrong. So, you need to deep dive on that. Ano ba ang mga dahilan bakit hindi nagde-deliver yung mga ads, 'di ba? Being out of stock is one of that. And then, minsan, may mga restriction, suspension sa listings, which is hindi naman natin kontrolado. So, coordination with the team within the company is very important as well. Example, sa ibang company kasi, may mga SEO team, may advertising team, may design team, may mga ganon. So, proper coordination din doon is kailangan din gawin natin. And then, basic knowledge sa pag-troubleshoot is very important din. Tapos, during that time, you can ask the community, ano ba yung mga dahilan ng mga ganito? And they are there to guide you. Huwag ka mag-alala ng ganyan kasi baka out of stock lang yung product, kaya siya not delivering, mga ganong problema. Pero, example, high ACOS, high TACOS, paano papababain yan? May mga scenarios na tinuturo ang community para masurpass mo yan lahat. So, along the way, yung mga advanced techniques, malalaman mo na lang siya. Pag nandun ka na ina-apply mo na how to create new campaigns bago ka, di ba? Hindi mo pa alam i-navigate yung Seller Central. So, from there, may mga guides sina Coach Dean and Coach Marcos kung paano mo ina-navigate yung Amazon Seller Central. So, hindi ka mag-worry kasi nandyan sila to guide you.
Yes, hindi ka mawawala kasi it is designed for the beginners talaga. As in, yung magsa-start pa lang, aspirant, yon. So, from start, di ba, matutunan kayo the basics, the terminologies, and then at the end, how to create campaigns, paano mo solve yung mga ganong problems, like paano pag hindi nag-work yung campaign. As you mentioned, nakakatakot kasi di ba pera ni clients ang inaano natin, tinatakbo.
Yes. And then, kailangan din talaga ng proper planning and strategy kasi hindi pwedeng magalit si client na mauubos yung ano at pinagpa-practicean mo lang, di ba? So, you need to be confident at first. Yes, oo. Investment yan. And may kailangan din, sure din yung ginagawa natin. So, we need to, aralin talaga. And then, the community provided that from the most basic knowledge terminologies, step-by-step learning, how to conduct keyword research at first, kung launching pa lang, how about kung anong i-strategize mo sa scaling and maintenance phase ng accounts. Nandun yun lahat sa module ng FPPCM. Very good talagang learning to start with.
Yay! Thank you, Andrea, for sharing all of those tips na binigay mo. So, grabe, very technical na yung napapag-usapan natin. May na-mention ka na ACOS, TACOS. Di maliligaw ang isang estudyante pag nag-FPPCM sila kasi meron ng modules, may coaches pa na mag-guide, and may mga Sunday meetings kayo. Uma-attend ka ba noon? Anong ganap niyo doon?
Yes, I remembered na Diyos ko, Saturday, Sunday, minsan late, minsan you need to give time na mga example na reschedule, in the afternoon na lang siya, or in the noon time, or in the morning. Depende sa availability ng mga coaches kasi may time schedule siya na susundin. And lahat ng tanong mo, masasagot doon. Walang mali, walang tama, hindi ka i-judge. So, yun yung maganda sa community.
Oh yes, nang matanda ko noon na parang kami ni Apollo, yung may mga bibigyan na example si Coach Lish, Coach Marcos. Tapos parang ine-exercise nila yung methodologies. Tapos tinatanong talaga nila, they really ask and push the students to participate during those Sunday meetings.
Yung parang real life training, kung anong gagawin mo. Si coach kasi, pag may tanong ka, ang ibabato sa'yo niyan, another tanong. Ikaw din ang sasagot ng sarili mong problema, kaya you need to be careful. Kaya,
binasa mo ba ang module? Yan ang tanong.
Yes, binasa mo ba ang module? Andun yun, di ba? Pag hindi mo binasa yun, nag-shortcut ka, tinanong mo yun kay coach din, patay, itatanungin ka din niya. So, assignment mo pa yun, di ba? Huwag ka matakot. And you need to be prepared na pumasok ka sa meeting or yung body system sa FPPCF. So, yun. Lagi akong uma-attend doon ng mga... Kasi, ano mo na yun, pagkakataon mo na yun, lalo na kung may client ka na prospect, pagkakataon mo na yun doon na itanong kung ano yung mga i-strategize mo kasi hindi ka pa masyadong sanay or hindi mo pa masyadong alam yung gagawin mo. Pagkakataon na yun, wag kang mag-a-absent doon. Find time para at least malaman mo yung mga sinasabi nila. Kasi every session, may bago kang malalaman. Take notes din. Ako, may notebook ako niyan na sinusulatan. Lahat ng mga strategies na nandun din yan. Nakakompile pa hanggang ngayon. So, when I look at it today, naaalala ko, ay Diyos ko, dito ako nagsimula. Talagang nakakatulong yan sa'yo.
Yes, yan ang mga perks of attending ng mga accountability calls or bodies, mastermind. Yung pag may mga iba nagtatanong, hindi mo tinatanong pero natututo ka sa mga tanong nila, and just by attending, kahit listening, and the best attitude talaga for success is showing up. So, I think yun ang nag-manifest talaga sa'yo. Eto, Andrea, hindi ko pa ito tinatanong sa mga students ever, sa mga na-interview kong FPPCM students. And speaking of Coach Dean, kilala naman ng lahat sino si Coach Dean pag FPPCM yan, sa mga aspirant. Andrea, how would you describe Coach Dean and her teachings?
Oh,
Hi, Coach Dean.
Okay. Hi, Coach Dean. To start with, si Coach Dean talaga is that jolly person siya. Pero, lagi kanyang bibigyan ng challenge talaga. Yung parang i-discover mo kung ano yung magagawa mo pa talaga para sa sarili mo. Strong woman talaga kasi. Maliit si Coach Dean, pero ang laki ng personality niya talaga, ang lakas ng personality niya. And matututo ka sa kanya if you just need to listen sa mga advices niya. And then, mag-i-initiate ka ng learning pag kasama mo si Coach Dean. And hindi mo na itatanong, ang dami na din naming pinagsamahan ni Coach Dean, hindi lang sa FPPCM, kundi sa mga companies na pinagtrabahuhan din ni Coach Dean. Naging co-worker ko na siya sa agency na pinagtrabahuhan namin. So, naka-encounter ko na siya na maging team leader ko twice. So, yun. Nakatrabaho ko na din si Coach Dean. Talaga.
Sa PPC?
Yes, yes.
Oh, She's everywhere.
She's everywhere. And then, yun talaga, very professional si Coach Dean, and matututo ka kung gugustuhin mo. And then, it's a challenge para sa iyo na kaya nga, di ba, take action lagi ang gusto ni Coach Dean, and manifestation. Take action, be confident, be hardworking, ang perseverance mo nandyan, and everything will be in place pag ginawa mo yun, and you will succeed.
Nice. From what I'm getting, hindi lang technical yung tinuturo niya, no? But also the mindset, also the personal development, the confidence of doing it. And I think she's an advocate of, di ba, yung having the attitude to work towards our goals. Ayan, Coach Dina, first time tong tinanong ko sa student. And yan, ganda-ganda ng sagot ni Andrea. So, Andrea, ask ko lang din, no, before we end this interview, how has your life changed? Kamusta? From a mom na nagpupunta sa corporate, accountancy, ta ngayon, full-time working as an Amazon PPC PA. How's your life?
Ibang-iba. Nag-step up talaga yung life namin. Most especially that it's been my dream to invest in properties. Nakakapag-invest na ako sa properties. And pinaka talagang achievement ko and na-attain ko being the product of being an Amazon PPC manager is that nakapag-pundar din ako ng bahay na. And then, yung anak ko is afford ko na magpaaral internationally as an international student. Yes, my son will start his first year being a first-year freshman student at the University of Victoria this September.
Saan country?
Canada. Sa
Oh my
Canada po, sa
God.
University
Totoo ba?
of Victoria. Yes. Yan yung biggest achievement ko. And suntok sa buwan yun dati, di ba? So, I can afford now na makapagpaaral ng international student.
Grabe mga nai-interview ko, private school, Montessori, tapos ngayon, international university na through Amazon PPC. Okay, yan ano pa po?
Yes, that's true. And then, ang iba na talaga yung buhay sa ngayon and before. Level up na din kasi you've been, nakakapagpatayo ka na din ng bahay, ganyan, afford mo na din magkasasakyan even before na hindi mo nagagawa yun, di ba? Ano lang, sipag, tiyaga, kailangan. And then, hard work din sa ginagawa. Love what you're doing and everything will manifest sa ginagawa mo. Basta gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, pag-igian mo. And then, ako kasi, lalo na sa mga clients na napagtrabahuhan ko, ako yung hinahanap pag nag-resign ako. Yung parang may tatak ako na aalis man ako sa kanila because I want to step up in my career for career advancement. Hindi ako umaalis dahil ayaw ko lang. Ang dahilan ko always is stepping up in terms of career growth. Mga ganyan, new offer, mga ganyan, new opportunities, new challenge, higher position, mga ganyan. So, always na may positive mindset ka. Hindi yung hihilahin mo yung sarili mo. Kasi yung sarili mo din lang talaga yung makakatulong sa'yo and kalaban mo sa profession na to. So, if you want to truly change your life, you need to take action talaga. Persevere, sacrifice, and stay dedicated. And if you fail in one application, don't lose hope or hindi ka natanggap, try again. Don't be discouraged by mistakes na nagagawa mo. Example, sa interview may nasabi kang mali, di ba? Kasi growth and progress come from overcoming challenges naman. And all hard work will pay off at the end pag ginawa mo yun.
Wow, thank you so much, Andrea. That was a very wonderful closing for this interview and session that we have. You are very, very inspiring, no? You were able to send your son or daughter ba yun?
My son.
Your son.
My son sa University of Victoria, Canada. Magsisimula siya ngayong September 2025. Actually, last year pa yon. Na-delay lang yung visa niya. So, we opted to defer na lang kasi once a year lang ino-offer yung course niya. Software engineering yung anak ko, di ba?
Galing. Parang aligned kayo,
Software yung course na. Gusto niya din talaga yung software engineering kasi preparation na din sa future. 'di ba yung mga future jobs ngayon in line with technology. So, magaling din siya talaga. And it's worth the investment.
Correct. Every learning talaga is worth the investment, especially if we really take action of it and we are disciplined and committed in what we do. So talagang it really follows. Hindi talaga tayo magsa-stop but continuous learning, 'di ba? Para ma-achieve natin ang
Yes.
financial freedom pa yan, time freedom,
Correct.
income goals in the future. And talaga naman, FBPCM was your avenue to achieve all of that. Palakpakan naman natin si
Correct.
Andrea.
Ano ko yan? Utang ko yan sa FPPCM din talaga.
Wow, that is so
Where I
nice.
started.
Wow. Thank you so
Yes.
much, Andrea, for gracing us with your presence. And thank you so much, everyone, for watching up until this moment at sa pagpatuloy niyong pagsuporta sa aming mga YouTube success stories. Any last words,
then,
Andrea?
Ang mai-advise ko lang sa iba na nagbabalak din mag-enroll sa FPPCM, believe in yourself, in your dreams. Then, work hard for it kung ano yung gusto mo. Sabi ko nga, continuous dedication ang kailangan. And perseverance can make the seemingly impossible possible. And take the leap, invest in yourself kasi kailangan mag-invest, kailangan ng pang-enroll sa FPPCM, di ba? So, invest in it. And I can say na hindi yun masasayang. Isang client lang na magtiwala sa iyo, mababawi mo yung in-enroll mo sa FPPCM. And watch how life will transform you in the future kung gagawin mo talaga yung mga advices namin. And this journey might be tough, but the rewards are worth it talaga. And you have the power to change your life.
Yes, thank you, Andrea, for that. No, we within ourselves talaga ang magte-take action to change our life. Not anyone else but ourselves.
Yes, definitely.
Yes. Thank you so much, Andrea. Once again, last question. Are you a proud FPPCM member?
Of course. Happy ko nga, di ba? Talagang proud na proud ako sa pagiging FPPCM members. Kung ano ako ang meron ko ngayon, yun, part ang FPPCM sa growth and success ko.
Yes, and we are happy for your success. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to know more about freelancing, follow us on our Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Instagram page. And if you have any inquiries, just contact the number on your screen. This is your Amaze Nation brand ambassador, Nina, and with Amaze Nation, we provide life-changing learning for extraordinary living. See you next time.